Hi everyone, in this video I will show you 5 free Premiere Pro plugins for 2026. So number one, we have here the Premiere Composer. So what it is, a free plugin from Mr. Horse that adds a library of transitions, text, motion, presets, auto-scaling text boxes, and basic sound effects directly inside Premiere Pro. Now, what are the pros? It includes useful transitions and animated text presets ready to drag and drop. Auto-scaling text boxes save time on formatting. Basic sound effects included, so you don't need separate SFX packs. Good for quick edits, social videos, title sequences. And the cons, not as deep advanced as After Effects for complex motion design. And also, some editors want more unique presets, may feel generic. Customization options are somewhat limited compared to full animation tools. So, best advantage if you want to use Premiere Composer, this one is good for speed up text and transition creation without keyframing or switching application. Number two is Essential Motion 2.0 Free Preset Pack. A free drag and drop preset pack for Premiere Pro that gives you motion presets, camera moves, zooms, animations to apply instantly. So, what are the pros of using this? Works on adjustment layers, great for affecting multiple clips at once, fast rendering and GPU accelerated presets, easy drag and drop ideal for daily editing tasks, and customizable once placed, like keyframes still accessible. The cons, presets are limited to pre-made animations, less flexible than keyframing manually, and doesn't add new tools to Premiere just a set of effects only. But this one, best advantage, it saves a huge amount of time on basic camera and motion animations. Number three is the Motion Bro plugin. So what it is, a free extension that serves as a hub for applying hundreds of thousands of motion presets, transitions, graphics, SFX in Premiere Pro. What are the pros? Massive library of presets. Pre-packs often include 1,400 plus assets. Sound, FX packs integrate with transitions. Easy one-click apply, great for fast workflow and compatible with Premiere's resolution settings. The cons, some users report performance issues like free packs may lag or freeze. Free preset support can be hit or miss depending on version and pack sources, and it requires installation of assets separately. So, best advantage, huge variety of preset and sound effects, giving editors lots of visual flair without manual keyframing. Number four, we have here Cinepacks or Cinepunch, free sample pack. So I just want to emphasize that it is not for free, but it only gives a free sample pack. So what it is, a free sample asset pack containing a variety of overlays, cinematic effects, transitions, and some sound packs usable in Premiere Pro. The pros include cinematic overlays, adds color grading tools, and stylistic visual enhancement can make footage look more cinematic without complicated edits. What are the cons? Not a plugin in the traditional sense, it's a collection of assets. Some packs may be large. You still need to apply manually, no automatic system. So I think this one is not really good for beginners. Best advantage adds professional cinematic looks and overlays without buying expensive packs. Lastly, we have here SoundQ, so a free audio management and effect tools that helps organize, search, preview, and apply sound effects directly into Premiere Pro timelines. It also indexes your local sound libraries. The pros lets you build and search custom sound libraries, waveform preview, and one-click placement in timeline. Save time compared to hunting through folders manually, and the cons doesn't add new built-in Premiere Effects workflow tool only. Best workflows need a large sound library already, and interface takes a bit of learning for tagging workflows. Okay, so for summary table, we have here plugin, the name of plugin for Premiere Composer, what it adds, best for and main limitation, for essential motion, for motion row, for Cinepack and Cinepunch, and sound cue. So these are the what it adds, best for, and main limitation. So these for using this together, use Premiere Composer plus Motion Pro for visual transitions and effects. Use Essential Motion for clean, fast motion enhancements. Use or add Cinepacks overlays for cinematics visuals, and use Sound Cue to manage and insert sound effects efficiently. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.